Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Now I have a surprise for you. I have already received my silver play button. Look at that. And there we go. There you go. There you go. I'm so excited to open this, and I want you to witness to open this silver play button award. Because of you guys, I can have this. Dito ka, dito. Asan na yung shoes mo? Ayan. So, because of my favorite, also my son, he want to come with me. My son and my favorite. Diba? Oh. So, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oops, there's nothing in there. Nothing in there. Check. Nothing in there. This is just the recognition. If I would have 1 million subscribers, I can have this one, the gold one, gold play button. This is it. This is it. This is it. I want you to witness that I would open, but before I open that, I want you to hear some of the. This is from YouTube. Look at that, YouTube. So they said YouTube, some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of the subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have brought you a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with this Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Wow, thank you guys. Thank you, because if not because of you, because you're being there for me until such time that I am struggling in 5 months, but still I received the silver play button award. And here, congratulations, congratulations to also to my congratulations also to my 100,000 subscribers. Because of you guys, I can't have this silver play button award. Congratulations on the amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and will be with you every step of the way. Hopefully you will be with me every step of the way too, because you're there. Hello. Because you're there for me until the end. Thank you so much. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO and YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube. And thank you so much for my 100,000 subscribers. Hopefully, you help me reach 500,000 subscribers anyway. So, I got it already because of you. I have this one. And this one. Look at that. Look at that. So, look at that. Look at that. L. Janrix channel. This award is presented to L. Janrix channel for reaching. Presented to L. Janrix channel for passing 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys because of you. I love this one. Thank you so much. Thank you. And because of my lucky charm too, my baby, I already have this. I have this. Thank you so much. Anyways, thank you so much for being there for me. And thank you for your continuous support. And till such time I can reach 500k and up to 1 million subscribers. Thank you so much. Please support all my videos and don't skip ads because I just only earn there on the ads. And also please join the channel membership. Just click it there below the video beside my name there, and it will be fun. You're more than having fun on my channel. And thank you so much. Please also support me on my Patreon. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I love you. All the details will be on the description box below my videos. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this 100,000 subscribers. Silver play button. I love you. I love you. I love you all. Love you. I love you. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. I want to take a picture with this. Thank you. Love you all. That's it. This is very hard because I do have camera on my own. I make camera on my own myself. Yeah. I can't make it. It's shiny. Look at that. I'm thankful. I am very thankful for you guys because you are there for me every time. Thank you. King, picture ka na.
Yeah?
Picture ka.
Huh?
Picture ka. Picture ka. Dito ka. Hawak mo na.